Hi everyone, Liz here. Oh, that's moving on its own. Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. Oh my goodness me. Happy 6th of December. Oh, we're cracking on nearly a week. Right, so we've got 3 advent calendars to open now, so we better crack on and have a look. We'll look in our fan cells one last. Yeah, I'm having to remember to bring this one upstairs. I've just got sat down ready to do it thinking, I've got 3 to do. And I had to run all the way back downstairs and back up again with this one. So that's my exercise done for the day. I don't exercise, just to let you know. Right, and we'll put Christmas Vacation on one side as well, because I want to have a look at this one. So this is a big flat package, and I've no idea, absolutely no idea. So this is my Diamond Painting Deutschland advent calendar. If you haven't seen my original unboxing video, and you're wondering why I say, is it worth £5.50 or more, or if this is the first video you've watched, hello, thanks for stopping by, hope you'll stay with us, then this is basically the amount that I paid for the advent calendar divided by the 24, and I'm just trying to sort of gauge whether each one's worth it or not. But as somebody's pointed out to me, I am well and truly sure, and I do agree with the lady, that yeah, there will be a full value of more than £135 worth of stuff. I would think the diamond painting that we've got coming on the 12th, ooh, can't wait to see which one we've got, will be more than worth the money. So yeah, I'm sure it's really, really good value, and I am starting to think, well, I'm going to start saving up in January and put a little bit of money away each month so that I can get next year's. I hope they do one next year, because I'm enjoying this one so much. So yay, I love my advent calendars. Right, I've done well really not to see any spoilers, because I do flick through YouTube and social media and things, but I just want to see what they're like. Right, let's get into this one then. Wait no more. Okie doke. Thank you for all your comments as well. I do read them all and I do reply to everybody. So yeah, it's always nice to read what other people think as well. Okay, thank you very much for all the comments. Right. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's some gnomes, some gonks. Oh, you know I love my gnomes and gonks. And actually, I have seen this one and I haven't got it. It is one of the ones I haven't got. So that is excellent. Is it very Christmassy? Let's take it out the packet and look properly, Liz. Oh, this is definitely Liz one. Yes. Pick it up. Take it out of the packets. Put the packets, I know where it is, so I can put things back in it. So, oh, we've still got the little bit of wood there. Look in the, ooh. Now, my crafty brain is thinking, what can I use that little piece of wood for? It looks very useful for something. And my sensible brain is saying, throw it away. Throw it away. We have got too much stuff. Throw it away. And my crafty brain saying, no, never. It's just not going to happen. Okay, so we have this a wonderful welcome sign. Oh, I suppose it's maybe got snowflakes on the W, and we've got bells. Oh no, the hearts on the C. Oh, we've got a snowflake there as well. So yeah, it is quite Christmassy, to be fair. I was thinking you could probably leave it out all year round. I suppose you could. You could always say you forgot to put it away. So yeah, we've got a snowflake there and a snowflake there. This one, oh my goodness. It's just the personalities. It just really makes me laugh, the personalities of these little gonks. I mean, they just literally have a nose. But you can just see that he's going, well, hey, look at me balancing on this. Oh, yay. And this one down here is saying, oh gosh, he's at it again. Yeah, this one looks really, really happy, and yeah, this one looks, oh, for goodness sake. Oh, but I really do like this one. Right. So, pen, boat and wax, just standard little toolkit. So I'll be interested to see what toolkit we get in the actual diamond painting, because I've not had one of their kits before. So this is a great selection, and I am really enjoying this. It's just so funny. Right, let's have a look at these gems. They're all crystals. So how many colours have we got? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different gems and colours. Oh, and we've got an AB, an Aurora Borealis white there. Don't know if you can just about make it out. Yeah, I think you can just about see the iridescent coating on the white. So that makes it a good quality item. And these are definitely more than £5.50. So, yeah. Right, now then, let me have a look. I was going to say, what are the faces and hands, the noses and hands? What colour are they? So they're letter Y. Yeah. So we've got this like peachy colour, peachy orangey colour for the faces and the hands, and I'm not overly keen on that, so that is something that I have been changing on a lot of things. Some of my Santa heads and things, the faces have been like oranges and yellows and pink, and I actually got one that was like a gold colour in the crystals, and then it had an orange sort of shading to it, and then like purple shading as well. And I thought, oh no, I can't do that. So I am saving up my pinks. So my little gonks and gnomes are ending up with little pink noses. They might even end up with red noses, to be fair, because it might be a bit chilly hanging out up there, look, with the snowflakes. Yeah, I mean, that does look, considering the height of the little gonks, that's quite high up, isn't it? So yeah, I think this is possibly on the way home from the pub. Like climbing up a lamppost seems like a good idea at the time. No! Oh dear me, but all the others look wonderful. So I say we've got our AB white, we've got lovely Christmassy red, we do like the red. And oh, look at that deep dark purple. And like a lilac-y colour there. And as I say, that's like a peachy colour. I mean, there's nothing wrong with using the gems that you get with the kits, and they will still look good and they will still sparkle, but I'm just getting really picky as I'm getting on in my diamond painting journey. I start thinking, oh, what can I change out and what can I do, and would I like that better if I did it that way? So yeah, when I first started out, I did everything as per kit, and even if I put a gem in the wrong place, I had to get it off and change it. And now if I put gems in the wrong place, I look and I think, does it look okay like that? Will it look better if I change the gems out? Unless they're completely wrong, and then I do take them off. But yeah, I have been known to reverse colours because I've put one colour in the wrong place. So I just put the colour that it should have been on the other colour, if you see what I mean. And they look okay. So yeah, I don't do instructions. So we've got a little bit of your 310 black, which looks like we're going to be the antlers there and the little boots on the gonks. Not sure about the antlers, might put a brown in. Actually, I might use the peachy colours for the antlers. That might be, yeah, recycle, reuse. And then we've got, oh my goodness, some little teeny tiny teardrops. Now, are they silver? Yes, they are. They're just picking up the blue from the packet. So they're a little one. Oh, they're going to be all the little snowflakes. Look on the letters. And then some little teeny tiny teardrops in red. So they're going to be fun to put on. But I have my magnifying glass now, so I don't worry too much about teeny tinies because everything looks huge. So this is our little 6th of December. Loving this one. Right, give him a quick measure. I think, what do we reckon? About 9 inches, do we think? Oh, no, it's 11. My measuring head is definitely way out today. So we're about 19 centimetres, just in between 11 1/4 and 11 1/2 inches at the highest point. So it's a good size, this one. And you've got your standard little base as well, which you can either use as the natural side. You don't have to have it on the black side, or you can use your black side. I do tend to like to have a good base colour that then makes everything else sparkle. But some people, depending on your decorations and what you like, may prefer it with the vanilla wood colour there. So yeah, oh, I love that. I am very much enjoying opening this advent calendar, and I do think it's nice to get value in your advent calendars, but you're also paying for the package and the experience of opening it. So and I am going to keep that little bit, look, and put it in with my gems. Right, so that is our little gonks. Put the toolkit out the way. So we'll carry on with how we've been doing and have a look in Christmas vacation next. Okay, right, somebody has agreed with me that they don't remember a Volkswagen Beetle being in the film either. So if you remember or see it, let me know. And Aunt Clara, apparently the name that I thought Aunt Bethany was, is actually the name of the aunt in Bewitched. So that's where that could have come from. So thank you to those ladies. And Clark Griswold's boss was Mr. Shirley. So that's Mr. Shirley. We're learning a lot these days as we're going along. Thank you. I'm glad you're all keeping me straight. Thank you. Right. Oh, what's this? What is that? Can anybody read what that says? Is that the Jello of the Month Club? When he gets his letter? Let me just get a magnifying glass and see if I can read that. No, can't read it. Not really sure what it's supposed to say. So let me know what you think that is. It does look like a pot of jam or jelly. So could it be because he gets a telegram congratulating him to the Jello of the Month Club. So I'm thinking possibly that. Did somebody make jam? I don't remember anybody making jam and pickles in the thing, but possibly. We don't call it jelly, we call it jam. Jelly is something that we eat as a dessert with ice cream and things. So yeah, it's a bit different in the UK. But yeah, let me know what you think that one is. So that one's really a little bit bizarre. We're getting some odd ones, aren't we? You'd think really you'd be getting like Clark and the kids and maybe a Santa or something. So, okay, this is... I'm hoping we're going to get the other part to the RV, but you never know. Yeah, okay. Right, so good fun though. Yeah, it's not only what have we got in the advent calendar, but what is it that came in the advent calendar? Right, see if I can put those carefully over there. They're all going to slide down. Whee! And we'll have a look in the last one. 3 advent calendars to open. And then when I go downstairs, I'll have to open Millie's. What I'll have to do is at some point... Oh, that one's going for a ride, look. Is get hubby, Paul, to film me and Millie opening her advent calendar, because unfortunately the one that she's got this year, they're all in little packets inside her advent calendar, so I have to open the packets for her because you need a pair of scissors really to open them, whereas in previous years it's just been the treat dropped inside the advent calendar, you know, like the chocolate advent calendars, and she's just taken them out herself, but I can't really let her get the packets out because I don't want her eating plastic. So yeah, anyway, I'm waffling. Right, so where are we? I've put all my little decorations on my desk. I think I'm going to run out of space if I'm not careful. So we want number 6. Where's number 6? Number 6 is there, 6th of December. Oh, that one opened quite well. Oh, come on. Oh, where's my little knife? Where's my little knife just to get it to come upwards instead of going inwards? Oh, this one looks fancy. We've got a fancy bell, I do believe. Oh, look at this. Oh, gosh, they only just fit in. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's nice. So it's very, very light plastic. It looks metal, though. It does look quite posh, shall we say. And is that a little heart in the middle? No, I think that might just be a blob of glue, or it maybe should be a heart. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to look at it a bit more closely with my magnifier. I can't tell. So, yeah, a little 3D heart with a little hanger. So they are quite nice. You know, if you've got, say, a small Christmas tree that you say have on your desk or just have on a side somewhere, these are quite nice to just decorate something like that. But as I said, at the moment I am putting them out onto my desk. along my little sparkly tinsel wreath that keeps falling off and trying to escape. So that is today's offering. Very, very good. I'm liking this. Oh, it's sad that that one came off, because I do like to keep my pictures. Shall I just try and put that one back there? Yeah, I got a bit over enthusiastic, I think, opening that one. There you are. See if it stays in. Well, I think we've had a good success. Well, sort of semi-successful, shall we say. This is brilliant. Love this. This is a definite Liz project. Something that I have had on a wish list and I've just not got around to getting yet. So, yeah, that one is wonderful. This one, I don't know what it is. So let me know in the comments if you know what it is. And I do think that's the nicest one that we've had so far. Definitely the prettiest one that we've had so far out of this advent calendar, so it'd be interesting to see what we get in future ones. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I'm doing quite well, she says, touch wood, because this is wood. At keeping up with the comments at the moment, because I'm posting the advent calendars every day. I'm trying to keep up with all your comments and reading them all, so I know what I'm doing and what everybody's saying, and yeah, what these are. I need a lot of help, what can I say? If you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, see what tomorrow brings, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.